Hello, friends. So, remember that floor mat thing I told you about? Well, I got a couple more. Camo. These are Mossman. These are Mossman. You gotta see them. Looky. And this is not normal. This is not normal. This is like it's like a really thin material, like a felt, maybe. So I'm going to just wash them as if they're a regular rubber floor mat. And they're not too terribly dirty. Got some gunk in the corners there. So we're going to clean these up for my pickup. Now, I got me some water here. I got some water. And we're going to put some Polestar in there. I can't decide on Polestar or Green Star. Green Star it is. Noisiest intersection on the planet. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Okay, so in my water I have my little drill brush. Looky there, they cleaned up really nice. Now I'm gonna let them dry. I probably won't put them in the pickup for another day or so because I want them to dry. but they look much, much better. All cleaned up. Got the stuff out of the corners. That's looking much better. So, there you go. Thanks for joining me while I clean a couple of floor mats. But these are for me, because I love my camo. Just saying. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.